Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change any background color in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see. Then you show the background color is white color. Now you can see then change the background color. Now going to the color menu option, then click. Now choose from color. Now choose from red color. Now click OK. Now keyboard press from Alt or backspace. That it's. Then again another color in the sense. Now again from color option. Now choose from blue color. Now click OK. Now again keyboard press from Alt or backspace. That it's. Then again apply from same process in the sense background color. That it's. Now you can see since any background color in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.